Okay, and begin?
Ready? All right. All right, contents of the box. We have one site mark, red dot site, one Magpul PMag, 30 rounder, and one Smith & Wesson M&P AR-15, serial number TF20210. Crime lab numbers here. Unit numbers of the officers from Kenosha bringing the weapon there.
Ms. Williams, you ever seen that firearm?
Yes, I recognize this as the firearm that I analyzed for case number R202992. Item designation is item A. My initials are on this firearm, HAW, as well as the date that I analyzed this specific firearm, which was 12/1 of 2020.
And do you recognize that weapon to be the weapon you examined in the Kyle Rittenhouse case?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so pursuant to an agreement between both parties and approved by the court, the Rittenhouse rifle will be destroyed at the State Crime Laboratory on this 25th day of February 2022 by mechanical shredding.
So,
I'm just looking at a couple photographs of
You can cut whatever you want to cut these.
I don't know if you want to